Hi, today I'd like to tackle a question on trigonometry. And trigonometry is the study of triangles, their measurements and their relationships between each other. You can use trig ratios or other trigonometric functions. So here we have two trees standing. These are the two trees on the side of a riverbank. On the opposite side is a boy standing at this point X. And we need to use this information to calculate the distance between the two trees. That's this distance here. What we have at our disposal is something called a cosine rule. And this is basically used for non-right-angled triangles. It's a relationship between the sides and an angle. So one version of it is a squared is equal to b squared and c squared minus 2bc cosine a. There are two other versions, namely with the subject being b squared and the other one with the subject being c squared. Now how do we apply this? Well, we have to create a triangle from this, and we can see we have a simple triangle here, with this being 110 degrees. We have 50 as that length and 40 as this length. We'll call this A, so this will be small a. We'll have this as B, so this will be small b, and this side as C, so this will be small c. So we'll just substitute our values in this cosine rule. So we have a squared, which is the unknown side. That's equal to b squared. So b squared, we have b as 40, so that's 40 squared. Add c squared, which is the opposite side, which is 50 squared, minus 2, we'll put all this in brackets, bc, which is 40 times 50 times cosine a, which is 110 degrees. Oops, 110 degrees. Now, this is just a matter of computation, adding submitting this to your calculator. Remember, your answer will be a squared and not the value a. So what I should write is, well, in order to get your answer, you need to take the square root of this result. And providing you enter this correctly in your calculator, your answer should be 73.9, and this is to 1 decimal place. So that's it. We have the cosine rule, this version of the cosine rule. We've labeled the apex here as A, and the others are B and C. And the sides opposite, we use lowercase letters. We have our values squared, the two sides, b squared and c squared. And we substitute in the formula to find a squared and take the square root of it. How do I know that this is the correct formula? Well, just from the formula we can see that we need at least 3 values to actually apply this formula. We need 2 sides and an angle. So with two sides and an angle, we can find the unknown side. And that's it for this question. I think I'll have a go at a sine, using a sine rule, a problem using a sine rule in the next video. Thanks for watching this. My name is Alistair. Any questions, requests or comments are all welcome. Don't forget to subscribe or follow for more videos like this. Bye for now.